Good morning. Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. I'm WendyO. Make sure you're subscribed, and if not, you need to be. Also, make sure to smash the like, because when you smash the like, it pushes this out into the internet, into the metaverse, and more people could see it. Also, good morning to TikTok. Good morning to YouTube. Today's Sunday. So we're going to talk about the Bitcoin weekly close. And of course, I'm going to take all of your altcoins and meme coin requests, as many as I can. Not too many. We'll see. So for purposes of disclosure, if I'm invested in something, I'll let you know. If I have a moon bag of something, I'll let you know. If anything else, I'll let you know. In addition to that, the stream is purely for entertainment. If you buy anything that's mentioned here and it rugs or it goes to zero because it's a meme coin, that's on you 100%. We're just taking community requests, and this is just something fun that we always do. In kind of addition to that, I've got to say shout out to Grumpy Miner and to Mo. They are members of the channel. If you want to be a member of the channel, that supports me. It supports the channel. It helps make payroll, all of those really cool things. If you don't want to, that's your business. We also have a poll at the top. The poll at the top says, would you send a stranger on the internet crypto? Which is exactly what we're going to get into over here. So thank you guys for being with me. Happy Sunday. Happy holidays to people that are celebrating right now. And I'm very tired. I don't know what it is. I don't know what the deal is, but like this time change has me extremely tired. Like I slept straight from like 10 o'clock at night last night to 6 in the morning. I never do that. I literally wake up at least like 3 to 4 times. And then I was in bed till like almost 9 yesterday. Crazy, right? But anyways, it's fun. Sleeping in is good. It's good. Before we take a look at this, I want to take a look at this. This is insane. Okay. This is from Degen News. Someone has received over 30 million for an alleged token pre-sale on Solana. So basically what this person did is a very small account. Apparently they posted an address. They says, we're going to do a pre-sale X, Y, and Z. And they raised over $30 million. Like nobody knows who it is. The account is, it's a non-account. Like if they're going to do something great, but the chances of them actually doing something might not be anything. We're starting to see a lot more of these pop up. So that's why I put the poll up. Would you send money to an internet or would you send money to a stranger on the internet? I personally would not, just because to me, that's way too much risk. Like if I want to, like, because I kind of see these as donations. Like there's a couple people that have done them semi-successfully, like one, I believe, and their project still hasn't rugged, but that's still like very controversial. But at the same time, it's like, I'm not going to just send some random person that might be doing a pre-sale, might not be doing a pre-sale. Like I'm going to go donate to the self-care lab. Like I'm going to go donate that money instead, or get myself a delicious dinner. I don't know. So the people that are doing that, happy for you. Are you going to make money? Probably not. Is this probably going to rug? Maybe. I have no idea. But just be really cautious, you guys, and understand if you're playing with meme coins, most of them are going to rug. Most of them are going to go to zero. And a lot of people get greedy and do stupid stuff. So just friendly reminder, like we're in this this crazy euphoria range, but at the same time, Bitcoin's getting a little bit of a dip. She's dipping a little bit. So let's talk about that. Let's cover the Bitcoin weekly close. And then we will also cover some other stuff. So first, let's take a look at crypto bubbles. This is the daily. Things are starting to rebound, which is absolutely nice. It's beautiful to see. Super fun. Some most notable ones are a lot of AI tokens. We've got rndr and FET. AGIX, so some DeFi stuff as well, or DeSci, excuse me. WorldCoin, which I think is absolutely ridiculous. I would grift with that ethically, but at the same time, I think it's kind of scary. Near is up, Maker is up, Tau, etc. Airweave, WIF 6.2%. So this is on the daily. Things are looking okay. Let's take a look at the weekly. Okay, let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly looks a lot more bullish. Pepe is up 563%. This is the weekly, or is it the month? Is it the month? What is this? Oh, that's a month. Let's take a look at the week. This is the week over here. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm still a little bit tired. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get all of my energy back. But things are looking okay. Jupe is up 62.7%. That's a Solana DEX. If you guys want to use a DEX and move in silently, you can use silentswap, which is a SQUIDGROW product. It's an awesome tool. Absolutely love it. So shout out to SQUIDGROW. Also too, let's start with Bitcoin, and I'm going to I'll check the chats, and I'll take some altcoin requests for you guys. Okay. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you to TikTok. Do I trade spot or leverage? I actually do both, but right now I'm not doing too much trading. It's like some meme coin stuff. And I don't really feel comfortable using leverage right now with Bitcoin. Leverage is really for experienced traders. If you're not an experienced trader, you have no business using it if you want to 2 to 3 times. But at the same time, I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money, but like people are going to do what they're going to do. All right. Anyways, friendly reminder, the Bitcoin spot ETFs, those are closed for trading. Those are closed for trading because those work on banker hours. Okay. And the cool thing about that is we can essentially front run traditional finance. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin weekly chart. This is my Bitcoin bull chart. This is what's I think is going to happen. When we continue to move upward and forward, but we've got a pretty gnarly red candle right now. So let's talk about it. We'll kind of talk about different strategy. This was from the video I made last Friday talking about the Bitcoin halving, and I want to just briefly cover it again. You guys can watch it on the channel. I generally release a second video at 3:30 p.m. PST, 5 days a week. We do lots of content. But anyways, I'm going to remove myself really quick, and I just want to show this to you. So right now, the week of May 11th, 2020, that is when we had the Bitcoin halving on or around there. Okay. We are expected to have the Bitcoin halving Monday, April 22nd, 2024 on around that. Okay. Cause again, it's a floating date. So we saw an insane move up from about $8,000 to a high of $69,000 and was 760% pump. Similarly, and this was after the Bitcoin halving. So we had the Bitcoin halving. Okay. Right now we were trading around $16,000. That was the low of this cycle. And we currently got a high of close to like 74,000. And that was 365% pump. And this was prior to the halving. Okay. Prior to the halving. Okay, somebody said I only trade with leverage for years. Works for me. Yeah, that's fine. If it works for you, that's awesome. But most people that do trade with leverage, they get wrecked. And we've always said that on the channel. But anyways, so let's just say, for example, like, okay, well, let's say Bitcoin has a little bit of a correction. Let's say we go to $60,000 when we pump again. I think that like, this is just, this price action is crazy. Like, let's say we did another 365%. Could we? I don't know. Let's see. It's just all this price action is crazy to me. All right. So that's okay. So even if we were to get like another, let's just say another 100% up from the all-time high. So at about, let's see, about 100% pump, that would leave us at $148,000. So I don't know. I think the all-time high will be anywhere between like 140 to 200,000 a cycle. I could be wrong. I could not be bullish. Like maybe that's not bullish enough for most people, but at the same time, I think it's important to, you know, to be a little bit conservative. It's not that I'm bearish, it's just conservative. And the reason why is because when Bitcoin dumps or when there's drama with Bitcoin, altcoins dump too. Okay. Altcoins dump too. And also we talked about Book of Meme, BOME. Apparently Binance holds 30% of it. I'm not in that. It's a meme token. I'm pretty sure it's a Solana based token. So that's another important thing that you guys should be paying attention to is you guys can actually check on chain the supply, who holds what, the different types of wallets. And that's something that you should be doing your due diligence on, especially with meme coins, because that's going to tell you who has the power to dump. It's going to tell you where a lot of the capital is. And then also watch their sells. And on things like Dex Tools and Gecko Terminal, you can track those things to an extent. Let me go ahead and take a quick look at YouTube. We've got 298 people watching, only 68 likes. Can you please smash the like and stop grifting, man? Come on. Good morning. Last cycle, I didn't have off. Not saying this time is different, but it could be. Or it didn't have an ETF. Yeah, exactly. So we literally could. It's just crazy. It's just absolutely crazy, like ridiculous. Somebody said quant. We'll take a look at that. QNT. Hold on. Shout out to Idaho Mass for the 199 super chat. Could you please review Pepe on Sol? Yes, I'll take a look at Pepe on Sol. I've got a few pulled up, and then we'll go through the mentions on Twitter. Oh, let's take a look at the 4 hour, the green dot on the 4 hour from our partners over at Market Cipher. I love Market Cipher. They're awesome. I love Crypto Face. He's a good dude. Really, really good dude. Nice person. Awesome person. Anyways, let's take a look. We'll just do Bitfinex. All right. So let's go remove the drawings. This is the naked weekly chart. And if you guys are on TikTok, head over to YouTube so you guys can see the screen and make sure to smash the like. Binance holding 30% isn't necessarily a bad thing as long as the rest of the volume stays high. It kind of is. Like that's a large supply for one person to hold, in my opinion. But what do I know? I'm just an Indian on the internet. So, all right. So taking a look at Bitcoin, we got a swing wick high. We hit an all-time high this week at 73,500. A swing wick low, 264. So that's about a $10,000 range. I don't play guitar. It's Dee's guitar. We opened here at 68,000 or 69,000 closer. And then we're currently trading around 68,000. So again, it's just like $1,000 range that we've been ranging in. I'm going to go ahead and denote this with a different color just so that you guys can see a little bit more clear. And so I see a little bit more clear because I'm freaking tired this morning, man. I am super, super tired, like absolutely exhausted. So this is what we're seeing here. And they are saying, there's a lot of analysts that are saying we're going to get a 30% crash. 20 to 30% crash before the halving, then this could be it. Right now, when we take a look at this pullback, let's just go ahead and see. This is only 12%. So if we were to go another, let's say, for example, we were to go another, why does it do that when I don't use that one a lot? Hold on a second. Long position, short position, price change. Let's play around with the numbers. So let's say we had a 20% dump, that would be 59,000. And then let's say we had a 30% dump. Let's take a look where that would be. That would be right over here at support down here. So that would be anywhere between $60,000 to $50,000. And honestly, if Bitcoin had a big pullback like that, a big correction like that, I wouldn't be phased. It's going to drop a lot. It's going to destroy a lot of meme coins. It's also going to push down a lot of more legitimate altcoins down, which is good. So if you miss out on an opportunity to buy, there's your chance. So those are the targets if we did have a crazy Bitcoin correction. And, right now we're currently dealt with like a 12% move down from the all-time high. And again, right before halving. So this would make sense if we dropped before halving and then we went back up. But again, because of the type of market we are in, that might not even happen because we have the traditional finance coming in. And honestly, this is a completely different cycle for me. So I'm going to be happy to say multiple times on the channel, I don't know what's going to happen. I have no idea what's going to happen. We can speculate. We could talk about it. And if I'm wrong, I don't care if I'm wrong. I don't know how many people are comfortable getting on camera and talking about their price predictions. I do it. Anyway, so when we take a look at the weekly chart, we can see very, very clearly that a move down would be anywhere between, and again, these are just approximates. If we just take a look at the EMAs, if we bounce back on the EMA 9, that would be 56,000, which is a little bit lower than our target at 58,000 or 59,000 if we have the 20% pullback, and the EMA 21 is at 47,000, which is a little bit more significant than the 20%. Oh no, I apologize, you guys. That's 29%. I'm sorry, I can't see. Oh, 30%. You know what? I'm so tired today. Okay. That's a little bit more significant than the pullback at $50,000 at the EMA 21, which would be 40,000. So these are just potential targets areas. I'm not saying that we're going to do that. I'm not saying it's going to drop to that, but it's important to know. And if we take a look at Market Cipher and MACD on the weekly, we're seeing that Market Cipher kind of feels a little bit topped out and we're heading down a bit. MACD is not going to bear cross right away because it's a lagging indicator. Taking a look at the daily chart, daily has already had that nice correction bouncing on the EMA 21. Market Cipher is kind of flat right now. The MACD has already started trending downwards and correcting. Now, we did hold on to the EMA 21 support, which was fantastic. And ever since we had this move up starting February 7th on or around there on the daily, anytime we've had a pullback, we've tested the EMA 9 and we've also tested the EMA 21 very, very briefly here on the 26th of February. So this pullback does make sense. So this area of support at the EMA 21 on the daily is very, very, very crucial. If we lose that, things can get a little bit gnarly. The 20% pullback aligns very nicely with the EMA 30. And the 30% pullback aligns even better with the EMA 50, or excuse me, the EMA 100. So 50 is going to be at about the $58,000 area, and the 100 is going to be at the $52,000 area. So that makes sense to me if we continue to drop. However, we did have a really nice candle that popped back up. Taking a look at the 4 hour shows that we did print we actually haven't printed one of these green dots in quite some time. The last time we printed one of the granddaddy green dots on Market Cipher was back at the end of January. And generally that means, consolidation. That's kind of what it means. And as you can see back over here, the 12th of January, we were trading at about 42,000 to about 44,000 for quite some time. Oh yeah. So we're just kind of consolidating. Okay. Sorry. We started printing the green dots of the 13th of January, 19th of January, 24th of January, and it just kind of indicated some sideways action, which is fine. Thank you guys so much. And shout out to Floki Crypto. You guys make sure to go follow them. They're built with a very, very awesome community. Super cool, super awesome. And they've got the beautiful ad in Times Square alongside me. I know I got to brag a little bit, but super awesome people and they're building some cool stuff. So pay attention to them, Okay. Now, let's go back to this before I get distracted. So Market Cipher printed this granddaddy green dot, and generally this indicates sideways action consolidation. So if we were to consolidate here at about 64,000 to about 69,000, that would be fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Okay. So what I'm seeing is going to happen in the market when we take a look at the daily, I do want to see where we close today. We will close in about 6 hours. So it's about 4 p.m., I believe, 4 or 5 p.m. I have to double check. But if we can really consolidate here at about 65 to about like 69, that would be absolutely wonderful, because we do want Bitcoin to cool off a bit. Because when we do look at the weekly, look at this. This is kind of crazy. It would be nice to get a little bit of a red candle and just to chill out a bit, because we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 6 consecutive weeks of up only. So we need to cool down a bit. Now, what does that do with altcoins? I'm going to start taking some altcoin requests. So if you guys want to comment them in the chat, do it on YouTube. I'll take a look over there. It's easy for me. If not, that's okay. Good morning to Mr. Gamer. Good morning to Bootyhead, but big shout out to Mr. R. Again, Mr. R is a member of the channel. If you guys want to support the channel, you can go ahead and do so. If not, that's okay. And I appreciate all the kind words that you guys say. Good morning, Wendy and community. The most I ever sent to a stranger on the internet was 20,000 USD. I don't know if that's good or not, mister. I don't know if it's good or not, mister. We'll take a look at injective because people like that. But I have some that I picked out already, and then we're going to go ahead and go through some other stuff. So make sure you guys share this, smash the like, yourmom.com. Okay, so first off, one of my friends, they have, I think this is their project. It's called Make It All Back. They sent me some tokens. Anytime somebody sends me tokens, I don't spend them. I don't, because like whatever. We just don't do that. Sometimes we do. If we have to, we will. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a quick look at this. A big shout out to them. MIAB, Make It All Back. We'll go ahead and use this over here, Pepe. This MIAB. We'll go ahead and take a look. Let's see. I think it's this one. So this is a Solana-based meme project. As far as the chart goes, this is the chart over here. Again, if you guys want to trade any of these things, you need to do your due diligence on them. You need to pull the contract address. I'm not going to do that for you, and understand lots of meme coins are going to be absolutely ridiculous. But yeah, so this thing is dumping right now. And if this is something you're interested in, it looks like it had a really nice pump and it's cooling off. Generally, you want to wait for things to finish cooling off and then, take a look that way. But again, meme coins are fun. People like them. Everyone's making money. We're starting to get a little bit of a move up, but it looks like there's a lot of massive sells, and that's also something to pay attention to. When a lot of people are selling, that's going to indicate that number is going to go down. So you kind of want to wait for that to happen. So it looks like there's been quite a bit of selling over here. Not crazy sells, but enough. The ones that make me nervous, that I get pissed off about, is when I see $10,000 sales on a very low market cap coin. Like this has, where's the market cap over here? Can I see? Where is it? Wendy's tired. The total volume right now is about 7,000. Oh, this one, and it's a super, super low market cap, but you got to be careful on these. And then the next one is going to be Pepe on Sol. They sent me a little bit of it, so we're talking about it. I think this is the right one. But this thing is kind of going sideways. I guess when it launched, it did insane numbers, and it got all the way up to about 205. So this is Pepe on Sol, and it looks like quite a lot of people are buying. Not crazy buys, but buys. As far as the volume goes on this one, Pepe and Sol, it looks like it's 74,000 24-hour volume. Liquidity is 146. So this is the market cap is 462,000. Super low cap one. So I don't know if this one will end up doing well because it is Pepe. They sent me the entire total supply of floki. They did. I don't own any floki right now, by the way, but I would like to buy some on the dip. And as we talk about, if somebody sends me something, I'm transparent. A lot of other creators are not, but we're very transparent on the show. So I don't know. This might end up essentially following what Pepe on Ethereum does. I have no idea or not. Got no idea. So this is this. And also too, Kitten Hammer, I am invested in this. And it looks like it's starting to move upward again. And as far as the buys and the sells go, let's take a look. What's going on. It's a mix. So there's some these aren't too terribly large for what's going on. Well, somebody sold over here 8,000, which is a lot. Was it 8,000? No, it was $8, I think. Was it? I can't see. I don't know. But yeah, this one is currently sitting at the market cap is 18 million, which is fantastic. So I don't know. Apparently this one is supposed to have some utility in that type of stuff. But let's go ahead and take a look at injective, and then go ahead and comment some stuff back, then I'll go ahead and take a look. But yeah, meme coins are fun. I would just be really cautious, because this is the thing, you guys. Right now, with the way that Bitcoin looks, I'd be super cautious getting into anything. Super cautious getting into anything because just because of Bitcoin. There'll be some outliners that do really well, but at the same time, you got to be cautious. Good morning to Grumpy Miner said bonk, so we'll take a look at bonk over here. Whiff, we'll take a look at whiff. Let's see. Good morning to KS. Bome on Binance next week. I thought it was already on Binance. We'll take a look at Bome. But again, it's just ridiculous. We'll take a look at ADA. I just got really hungry. Really, really hungry. We'll take a look at rndr. If people like that one. Check out ICP. Yeah, we'll do ICP. I like ICP. I don't have any thoughts on Kimbo on Avalanche. I think that one was bought by the foundation. I'm not 100% sure, though. Not 100% sure. Yeah, we could take a look at Gala. Okay, we'll go ahead and take a look at some of these. I actually want to go on Twitter right now and see some of the stuff that they've posted, because there's some absolute degenerates over there. So let's go ahead and take a look and see. All right, I'll show you guys. We'll give shout outs. So Zay had posted dog with tinfoil hat. And so I told him I was going to shout it out and put on my tiara. Shout out to Kulo. All right. Somebody said Brett and then Bome. MWBO. I have no idea what that is, but it's from Shardy. I guess she launched a token. Let's see. Not advised. Oh, she's MWBO. Okay. I have no idea what that is, but I'm happy for her. All right, let's see. Pepe on Sol, we covered that one. Jason said UCIT. We'll take a look at that. And then Chamber, this is his, I believe, MIB. And that was the one that's dropping a little bit, but again, it's nice when we get these corrections, okay? So take a look. We've given Snake love already many times. Sani, we can take a look at Sani. I don't know, again, don't know too much about it. We'll take a look at Sani. Let's see. Sani, what is it? Chain is it? I think it's this one right here. This one's an older meme. It's on Ethereum. Let's see what the chart looks like. This one is in a downhill spiral. I don't know. This one doesn't look, I would probably wait for this to drop a little bit more. Hold on, I got to get a note. Thank you, love you. Does this mean you're taking me here to the Roosevelt? Yeah. Bye. All right, so as far as Sani goes, like, I think this thing will drop a little bit more, and then if you're interested, like, take a look at it, but it does look like it's going to drop a bit more. It does. But again, everything looks ugly right now. Everything looks ugly. Let's go ahead and take a look at UCIT from Mr. Jason Williams. UCIT. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, this is a Solana project. This thing pumped already and it's kind of cooling off. I would look for an entry maybe around 2832. And as far as the buys and the sells, $10. Oh, I'm like, there's a bunch of little buys, nothing too crazy here. No, this one actually, the order book doesn't look that bad. Well, I guess it's order book. I don't know. I call it. Anyways, though, it doesn't look too terribly bad. This is the 15-minute. Taking a look at the hour. Yeah, I would look around here. Like, over here. That's what I would look at. Okay, let's take a look at Quant. QNT. Oh, I'm going to eat. Okay, so yesterday, I got to tell you guys this story. Yesterday, I got to tell you about my day yesterday. I got to tell you about the day. Wendy, you might need to get some BCOQENU. Okay, maybe. All right, I got to tell you about my day. So yesterday, I went to film a documentary. It was in Santa Monica. I haven't been there in a long time. Santa Monica is like, I'll give it to you raw. Santa Monica is not what it used to be. Like, it's so dead there. I don't know what the heck is happening, but it's ridiculous. We'll do Floki. We'll take a look at Floki. Let me tell my story, damn it. Tell my story. So anyways, we went down there because I had to film a documentary. It was an old jazz club. I forget what it was called. Really, really cool inside. So we went there. And then we went to go see the Killer Whales billboard that is on 1021 La Cienega, right before Beverly Hills. So I went to take a picture there. But I was like, I've been wanting to get seafood. So we went to this place that was like on like kind of beachfront, whatever. First off, they closed the damn windows so I couldn't have that fresh air. Shout out to Peng. I love Peng. Peng is super adorable. Absolutely adorable. Like all you need is 500 Peng and then you could go ahead and like generate your little avatar. Is freaking cute. Anyways, though, with that being said, so we got all this cold seafood. I'm not a fan of cold seafood. Not a fan at all. But the bread there was delicious. Hello. Yeah, the bread there is delicious. So I'm going to go get, I wanted to get some Italian. I'm getting some Italian today. I might cook. We'll see. Anyways, I wanted to tell you this story, but it was a fun day. I'm a tired person today. All right. So this is Quant. This was a TikTok favorite. This is the weekly. We've got brand new support at about 101. I don't know why this thing is priced so high. I don't know why they price tokens so high. Sometimes it's cuckoo. Anyways. But right now it's just kind of going, it's not really doing a whole lot. I don't like these swing wick highs. Don't like the swing wick highs. Send me bread and I'll smack the table for you. I'm hungry. I'm really hungry right now. Anyways, it looks like Quant is correcting. It's so hard to chart things that are not memes because you don't know exactly what's going on. Pork. I'm going to have some bacon. Somebody send me some bacon, damn it. Oh, also to you guys, the Pog people, they sent me, it's the Pogs. So these are cool. Lowe's going to get one too. Pogger Box, the first physical collection made from digital collectibles. Scan the QR on the pack or each Pog to see if it's an original NFT. That's freaking cool. This is called gamification. And it gives you the date. It gives you the batch. Just like Pokemon cards. 1 Kinney per pack, 12 packs per box, 6 Pog milk caps. So Lo got this. She got one too. So I'll let her open it. I'm gonna keep mine closed, but I'll let Lo play. Okay, so this is Quant, QNT. And we're holding support on the EMA 50 over here. No, I don't like what Michael Saylor has to say because what he's teaching is it's not even that he's teaching, what he's doing is very dangerous because most people don't understand how to leverage Bitcoin. If you know how to leverage Bitcoin and take out a collateralized loan, that's fantastic, but you do understand that there is a liquidation point. And if you do meet the liquidation area, not only does all your Bitcoin get taken from that loan, but that is a taxable event and you have to pay taxes on that. Doing collateralized loans with Bitcoin is good if you have enough capital to dump in to avoid getting liquidated. So just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. All right, anyways. So now let's take a look at the 4 hours. So the 4 hours popping up a little bit. So with Quant, all right, let me just remove all this. With Quant, I want to zoom out on the daily. Okay. There's a lot of chop over here. I don't know. With Quant, we had a nice move up, but it's kind of correcting. So I'd really kind of watch support at 118. If we can hold 118, then we should continue to go back up, but be really, really careful. Also note, if Bitcoin does continue to dump, it's going to impact a lot of these coins that have broken above crucial support, and they're going to go back down. So just be cautious there, okay? Now let's take a look. We took a look at Pepe Sol. Let's take a look at INJ. We'll go over here. Wendy's tired. What kind of bread? I don't know. It had salt on it. It was so good. So good. Quant seems overlooked. Nobody's talking about it right now. Yeah. Bologna flaps. Are you talking about your mom? Aw, Trent, that would be awesome if you did that. I would appreciate it. That would be super sweet. Super sweet. ACH, please. Maybe. Good morning to old rounder bro for the 149 super chat. You can help me buy a sandwich today. I love bread. Bread is so good. There was a crypto project called Bread. I don't know what happened to it. Anyways, this is Engine. This one is actually doing well, but I don't like these swing wick highs. They scare me. So Engine on the daily, it does look like we might have a little bit more downside. So I'd kind of watch about $34 here just in case, because that does seem like a nice area to essentially fall down on. Then we've got great support at about 31.57. But if things get bullish, I believe we're in price discovery with Injective. I believe so. I want to check another chart just in case. I feel like KuCoin would have listed it first. Yeah. Okay. We'll go. Yeah, well, this is fine. So I'm going to show you guys how to find out prices for when things are in discovery. So you're going to reset your chart. This is how I do it. You guys can do whatever you want. You get the tippy top, about $52 all the way to the teeny tiny bottom. And then you can see with your fibs, you can go ahead and see where price will continue to go. Then I get some more fibs and I just kind of drop them down over here for fun. And then you can get the different targets that it might go up into. Which AI do I recommend? I don't recommend anything. I'm an idiot on the internet and this is for fun. All right, let's take a look at Bonk. All right. So this is Bonk. This is on Bybit. I don't want to look at the Bybit chart though. Let's do Binance. My knees hurt so bad because I've been lifting heavy weights and they hurt. So this is Bonk. This doesn't look good. So bonk got a high of 48.13. This is a Solana based bonk, bonky bonk. It is dropping, but it did hold really nice support on the daily at about 24.55 here, which is nice, but I would be cautious. Taking a look at the 4-hour, we held on to the EMA 200 and we're on our way up. So I'd look to about 29.65 right now. Again, you guys, all of these things, all of these coins, if Bitcoin continues to nuke, the technical analysis won't matter. All this stuff will drop as well. So keep that into consideration. Let's take a look at WIF and see how WIF is doing. All right. All right. This is WIF. Let's take a look at the weekly. All right. Where's my WIF chart? There was one that I had was up. Well, WIF is back up again. This actually, WIF actually looks the most bullish out of everything. People keep saying, I know about BCO, something. Cool. I'm happy about it. I don't have to chart everything. I give shout outs to things as well. Okay. And I'm half asleep right now. Anyways, so we're above $2.57, and I do think that this will continue to go up. The candle looks bullish. So I'd look to about $3. And I know some of you are like, Wendy, you're not bullish enough. Well, Bitcoin is kind of dropping, so if Bitcoin continues to drop, things might get a little bit scary. Okay. Avalanche price predictions. We can do that. So as far as also to you guys, happy St. Patrick's Day. How rude of me. And also too, when I think of St. Patrick's Day, I don't think about going out and drinking the green beer. I think about giving a big shout out to the Irish people, especially all the hardworking Irish folks that came over here during the famine and tried to escape for a better life and then just got treated like absolute garbage, even though they helped build America. Italians suffered a similar fate. So a big shout out to all of the Irish people out there for building America and just being absolutely awesome. Shout out to the Irish. Woo, woo, woo. And I'm not going to have green beer today. No green beer. I'm not a big beer person. I might have wine. Shout out to the Irish, Italians, and Arabs. Shout out to all the people that helped build America. I do all kinds of stuff. I do like mostly hit stuff, but I've got 15-pound weights. It's a set of 15-pound weights, and I do them at home. I just haven't feel like going out in public a lot lately. Anyways, let's get back to the TA, not that TA, you freaks. Anyways, we got 500 people in here. You guys need to smash the like, and we've got 100 of you on TikTok. So smash the like. Seal with hat, yeah. Seal with hat. I'll do seal with hat. Okay. Shout out to Dexter Plays. You guys go follow Dexter Plays. He's a Robux guy. And I told Lo that we're gonna watch your channel because she's like, oh, you know a Robux player? I was like, yeah, we know Robux. Anyways, this is WIF. WIF is actually looking pretty healthy, and I think that WIF might be able to do $10 a cycle, considering what it's doing price wise. I don't know. Let's take a look at bome. Book of Meme Solana. You guys are absolutely of diminished capacity, but I appreciate you. Let's go to the daily here. So this is it's only 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 days that it's been working around. That's pretty cool. Anyways, we're starting to get a correction. And again, I think Binance owns 30% of the supply, so be careful. I'm taking a look at the 4-hour. It looks like we found a floor. We found a floor at about 1 penny, but I would be cautious. I'd be really, really cautious. Let's go and look at some of the buys and the sells. So we got the price that they bought it at, the price and sold, how much bome. So, okay, $3,000 sell, $3,000 buy. Okay, so that's not too risky. Some of the sells are pretty big. Look at 2,700, 1,000, 9,800. And you guys also too, I need to yell at people. Let me tell you guys something. If you are somebody who's trading meme coins and you guys are dumping like $1,000 sells or $10,000 sells, $5,000 sells on the chart, you're going to nuke it. Don't be a jerk. You can do little sales, especially if it's on Solana. There's no reason why you can't do smaller sales because the gas fees aren't crazy. So don't be ghetto because that's not fair. Well, you guys can do what you want to do. It's just rude. Don't do that. There's no need to do that. No need to be upset. But this is bome. Bome your bome if you want to bome. All right. So we had a bit of a correction. We got one positive thing I will say is a swing look low here at about 0.0148. The fact that it got bought back up is nice. It looks like the selling is done for a little bit. There's a lot of buys. And then that sells, and now people are starting to buy. So maybe we'll go back up. That's what it's looking like over here. Let's take a look at ADA, because that was a request, and I'll get some stuff for you guys. I'll take a look at ADA. Cardano, and I've got Cardano. Cardano did really well for me. I'm not doing flaming floki. I will take a look at floki though. Okay, don't be messy. WendyO is tired today. I don't know why I'm so tired. I am excited. I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. Very, very, very excited. Because it's kind of dusty. All right, so this is Cardano. The Cardano. Let's see. So this is a Cardano chart. I hope Cardano hits all-time high again. I'll be very, very happy. But anyways, we had some problems breaking resistance and flipping above about 76 cents over here, and looks like we were correcting a little bit. Totally fine. Market Cipher showing a correction. MACD wants to bear cross and head down. Again, this makes sense because of what Bitcoin is doing. So right now with Cardano, we're struggling to get back above 68 cents, which is fine, but we do have support at 56 cents. If we were bullish, we would then flip 76 cents, hold support, and then kind of probably hit about 92 cents next for Solana. All right, now I want to take a look at rndr because that was another request. Okay. Render's done incredibly well, and it's hitting a lot of the fibs. That's why I tell you guys, use the fibs. Use the fibs, because look, we did the fibs from the top to the bottom, and then these other areas over here, and it just shows you all the different levels to take a look at. I appreciate you guys. We'll go out to ICP. I got you. All right, so this is the daily with rndr. Rndr pumped like crazy. I want to see a flip above $12.84, and then the next target, I would probably, again, we'll take this out, get that, do your fibbies over here. And this will be the different targets that you could look for. Rndr actually looks really nice, though. I wouldn't feel bad buying the top on this just because it's doing so well. There's a lot of hype. However, on the 4-hour chart, it shows a different picture over here. So we got a correction over here, and I would probably watch $12.68. Okay. Sometimes I get scary stuff on Telegram. If I don't know you and you cold called me on Telegram, I'm blocking you. You're getting blocked. You're definitely getting blocked. I just block people because it's weird. Don't do that. I don't want to talk to strangers on the internet. All right, so let's take a look at ICP through Binance. So this is ICP. We're going to take a look at the daily. Take a look at the daily. Yeah, I know you guys are trolling me. TikTok is ridiculous. All right, so let's take a look at the weekly. Thank you so much. I'm just a mama. I'm just a mommy. That's all I am. Should I cut half my position of ETH and put it into SOL? That is a personal decision for yourself. I don't know what your position looks like. I don't know what your financial situation looks like. That's something that you need to decide. I do think that we will see $10,000 Ethereum, and I do think that we will see $1,000 Solana. I don't know. It's not 100% sure. But that's what I want because I'm biased because I'm holding both. But at the same time, do what works for you and your family. Now, as far as ICP goes on Binance, we held on to that $11.62 area. We're popping up. I'm taking a look at the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is looking okay. I would really watch to see, though, with ICP, I really watch to see and make sure that we hold $11.57. I would. Let's take a look at Gala. Again, you guys, Gala, I'm holding Cardano too, and Solana, and Ethereum. And some of these meme tokens people have sent me, and they're in the public wallets. You can see. This is Pepe on, this is Pepe, Ethereum Pepe, but we covered Pepe on Sol also. Chart doesn't look too terribly bad. Anyways, though, this is Pepe holding the line, trying to flip above resistance at 820. But let's take a look at Gala because it was requested. I'm a Gala person. I've got a lot of Gala, full disclosure. Also, too, the total crypto market cap is doing pretty well. Really not too bad. Really, really not too bad. I hope Cardano hits $3 a bull run. I hope it does. Okay, let's take a look at Gala. Where is my Gala? Oh, and I'm going to be a judge at that hackathon. And some people might be saying, Wendy, you're a tech idiot. Why are you going to be a judge on that? Well, because they need people like me that are tech idiots. You want to know why? Because I'm going to tell you if something actually makes sense. I'm going to tell you if it's usable, because it's not usable, it's going to end up going to zero and going away. That's why they need people like me. That's not tech savvy. Anyways, thank you so much to John, 199 super chat, Bork. So we'll take a look at Bork. Render up 20%. Seal with hat. No, we're going to do seal with hat. I promise. Promise. Wendy sleepy. Jameson yummy. I'm not a big Jameson person. I just like my wine, man. Fibs baby. Oh my God. What was that song? Oh, what was it called? I wanted to sing it. I'm too tired. I don't even know. $10 is fun. This is the thing. I'm going to tell you guys right now. If I make a crazy price prediction and it doesn't hit, you guys come for me. If I make a crazy price prediction when it dumps and it doesn't hit, you guys come for me. So I'm conservative. It's not FUD. It's just being conservative. And if you are not conservative, you're going to get wrecked. Okay? You're not going to sell the top and you're not going to buy the bottom. It doesn't work that way. So we're conservative on this channel. If you wanted to hear Moon Boys and you want to get wrecked and you want to get your personal bias screwed up because you're getting greedy, that's your business. That's on you. I don't do that. I did get greedy when I was calling for 10K because I wanted that $10,000 Bitcoin. It was $5,000 off. Who freaking cares? I'm conservative. Don't care. Union Sand. Okay, hold on. I got to get back into it. I could do Moon Boy stuff, but then you guys are going to come for me and then that pisses me off. Anyways, so Gala ran all the way up to 8 cents and then started dropping. I would need to see her get above 6 cents, which is the EMA 9 over here, okay? So these would be the other targets for Gala, 12 cents and 18 cents if we get bullish. Once we get bullish again, Gala is something I believe in long term. I know the team. I have a meme coin. I have moon bags, run nodes, all of that type of stuff. I do like the fact that we had a swing look low to about 5 cents and we're back up. And we opened at about 5 cents and then we are trying to get above 6 cents. How long is the dump going to last? Not sure. I would pay attention to Bitcoin halvening though. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart, this actually looks pretty healthy. If we are able to flip 6 cents, and the chart will start looking bullish again. So I would wait for that confirmation. And then again, bullish charts with the EMAs, the EMA 9, 21, 30, 50, 100. Okay. Yeah. All right, let's take a look at Floki because people are asking. They're asking me. Let's take a look at Floki. Floki is an Ethereum-based project, but it's also on BNB. All right, I just want to see. The freak. Is this the right Floki? We'll go over here. Yeah, okay. So Floki was like dead for a long time and then it had this crazy, crazy move up. This is a 4-hour. Let's take a look at the daily. Okay. Yeah, and it just shot up like crazy. So this is awesome. This is awesome. So this is the thing. When we talk about meme coins, I'm not telling you to start taking profit like in these areas. When we get a little bit of moves up, why not? So, okay, if I was in Floki, this is, okay, let's say, for example, I got in Floki back in 2023, okay? Hold on. So let's just say, and I was holding, I would have probably made a moon bag. If I would have got in over here, 238, I probably would have made a moon bag around this area and then bought more on the dip, made another moon bag again over here, and then been holding. And as we started seeing this crazy price action, I'd be taking profits all the way up. That's what I would do. But what do I know? Anyways, Floki found support at 21365 and we got swing look lows all the way down to 20192 and now we're up, and if we flip the EMA 9 we will get bullish again. However, one of the things I will tell you is that if Bitcoin continues to dump, this will impact as well. Now let's take a look at seal with hat. Seal with hat on Sol. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay. Ugh. Do you invest in Bitcoin? Of course I do. Why wouldn't I? I don't know what the hee-haw is going on with Seal with Hat. I don't know what this chart looks like. It looks like a lot of people have been dumping though. So I don't like this. Sorry. I know you requested it, but I don't like the way this looks at all. Don't like it. Low liquidity pool. Yeah, there's lots of red flags here. Sorry if this is upsetting to you. I hope this is the right one. But I would not touch this one over here. Seal with hat. Yeah, there's like no volume. I wouldn't touch this. It could ended up going well, but this is not good for me. Sorry. Let's take a look at Bork. All right, this one, we've got some liquidity here. We've got some volume. Okay, Bork, I see you. Okay. All right. All right. All right. So this is Bork. It had a massive run up and then a massive dump. I would watch, and if we fall below 6211, dump it. But right now actually might be a good time to buy. However, one of the things I'm seeing a little bit of sells, but they're not crazy sells. And hold on a second. $9 and hold on. Okay. Yeah, there's some sells, but they're small sales. There's lots of buys, but I will kind of watch the buys and sells also before getting in. But anyways, this might look like it might run again. So shout out to Bork. Let's take a look at Avalanche. Okay. All right, this is Avalanche. We're going to move all of these. This was back in the bear market. We were looking at different target areas. I don't know too much about Spell, so I can't give you anything about that. Sorry. Okay. All right. So this is AVAX. Avalanche actually looks really good considering all of the turmoil that's happened. So Avalanche looks good. This is actually a very bullish setup with the EMAs. I love Ethereum name service, but they also have a Solana based name service. It's going to be a lot of more affordable to participate in. And I think it's $20, $20 USD dollars, $20 to do it. Okay. Shout out to Palm AI. They were a partner of the channel, and I think they got some really cool stuff going on. That's what I think about Palm AI. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart looks great, looks decent. We are above $52, and we're kind of ping ponging going along. And I think the market is pretty much I think the market's like just kind of chilling right now, doesn't know what it wants to do. But I do like the setup a lot on Avalanche, just because we're above the EMA 9 and it's stacked really bullishly. If we continue to climb, we would need to flip about $62. And then the next target over there, I would probably call for about 71.82 if we got bullish. If we got bearish, EMAs. I do want to take a look at Solana really quick, see what she's doing. Where is she? Here she is. 197. 197. Yeah, Solana I think is going to be easy, $1,000, $750 to $1,000 easy. It could go higher. I'm going to be conservative over here. Solana looks fantastic. Taking a look at the weekly, this is absolutely glorious. We're getting ready to hit that all-time high of 254 over here. The next target for Solana will probably be about 224 if we continue to rock up, but looks really good. Things look good. I want to take a look at my Ethereum because my bags are heavy. Ethereum price action stinks right now, but that's okay. Bitcoin is correcting. Solana is outperforming Ethereum. Also, Solana flipped BNB on CoinMarketCap. What about Brett on Base? Brett on Base is freaking hilarious. Shout out to all the builders on Base. Taking a look at Ethereum. We broke my target here at 3,800 or 3,900. We hit about 4,100 and now we're correcting. I need us to really stay above 3,612 and really above $3,200. That's what I need. Donk Inu. Cat with Hat. Colt Dow. Flokina. Near bubbles mostly green. So is Floki on Stealth. Floki is on Ethereum and BSC. Fibs is 700 years old. Somebody said donkey new. I'm so tired, you guys. Oh, Donk Inu. Donk Inu. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Anyways. All right. In closing, do not be of mentally diminished capacity. Make sure you have a trading and investing plan. It is good to remove some profits to remove some risk because a lot of the stuff is going to nuke, especially if Bitcoin continues to nuke. Be very, 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 very careful right now. As far as Bitcoin goes, this is not fantastic, but this is also important. These candles also look like sometimes they can be reversals. So be cautious. We talked about the areas that we might get pullback to with Bitcoin. I would be cautious there. Very, very, very cautious. We might not get these crazy pullbacks at all. We might not get the 20% pullback to 5,900. 59,000. We might not get the pullback to $50,000. So be careful. Okay. Other than that, have fun trading. Taking profit never hurt anyone. If you don't want to take profit, that's your business. Oh, I also forgot too, you guys. We're partnered with 2 exchanges, CoinCatch and Femex. Femex is giving up to $8,800 for $8,000 for signing up. CoinCatch, I think they're giving away up to $5,000 for signing up. These are the exchanges that I'm kind of degenning on right now. And if you guys want to use the ref links, great. If not, that's fine too. Remember, no matter what exchange you use, even if you use Coinbase, not your keys, not your coins, use decentralized services, custody your own crypto. MetaMask and Phantom and Trust Wallet, those are hot wallets essentially. In addition to that, you leave crypto on exchanges, that's your business. Don't be doing that if you don't have to. But if you use my refs, you help support me in the channel. If not, that's fine too. But be cautious of the Bitcoin. Depending on what we see happen, I'm going to release a short about that. But we're going to be dropping a video for bundle bets later at 3:30 p.m. PST. And I think a lot of you guys are going to like that. A lot of you guys are going to like that. Thank you for the money. But anyways, I'm going to get going because I got to go take a nap and make some bacon. Thank you guys so much. Have a good rest of your Sunday. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye-bye. Bye, babies. Mama's tired. Big Mama's tired. Thank you.